Dudes, just got myself this 295 amps inverter welder machine. Really cheap. I think it was about 50 euro, something like that. Comes with all the good stuff. It's very light. It's yeah, I don't know how it should do the work we need it to. What is the? There's an owner's manual. There's a little hammer and a little yeah, that tool, something. This is the handle for the mask, but I can't see the welding visor. Could it be in the box? And I didn't see it. Nope, it ain't. Well, we shall weld without it if... Oh, look at this. It's 2 pellets. Come on, come on. How do you put these on? You can see it has these notches. And how do you keep them on? You know, it's pretty easy to install actually. So after you put these notches, you align these notches, you just twist the length, and these are retaining clips. This is pretty self-explanatory. Don't think I need to explain anything about it. Okay. Now the cables. They are pretty thick actually. Okay, this is for the welding gun, so that's gonna go in there where the plus is. I hope so. Rotate it right, and that's the minus. Okay, I'll just rotate that to minimum until we prepare some stuff. I'm gonna clean a little bit of this corrosion, and I'll try to, with a 2.5 electrode, I'll try to weld a little bit. It's basically my second time trying to weld, so I don't expect much. Ooh, I have very thin metal, which I should practice on. Oh no, this is really thin. I shouldn't practice on that. I will most certainly weld through it. So I've got some welding sticks around here. I'll search for some. Let me power on the thing. Ooh, it makes noises. So it's got a fan. 20 amps is the minimum. We'll set it on 60. Although I think it's too much, but okay, we'll go 60. Alrighty. How will I'll just, for starters, I'll put it like that. I'll try to weld it. Come on. Let's push it a little bit further. 127. Whoa. It goes into protection. 65. So no, I don't think I have enough power to run this. 99 amps. It's just sticking to the metal. Nope. My inverter goes into limp mode. Okay. So we're not gonna be able to weld with this. Not here. At the house, at the normal house outlet, I bet you it will work. But I can see the lack of power here. So my 3000 watt inverter does not do a very good job. Just a second. On a welding machine. So it's this thingy. Yeah, with my setup I cannot weld, so I will need at least 5000 watt inverter in order to make this work here. Luckily I don't do much welding here.